whenever they feel like they want to go in the water, they go in the water. And whenever you do not expect like that they will be in the water, they'll be in the water. Even during the winter, they can stay like in the water. So, but of course, during the spring, summer, and autumn, like they are more in the water and more active, let's say. Now being lazy during the summer, like finding some shade in a tree somewhere, just lying there all day and stuff like that. And sometimes our visitors, like they do ask and kind of request, like, but why they are not in the water? Like, we want to see them in the water. We want to see them, but they don't want to be in the water.